Hey guys, today I'll show you how to fix an Android phone that's stuck in black and white mode. So let's get started. If your Android phone suddenly loses all its colors and everything appears in black and white, don't worry. This usually happens because the color correction feature has been turned on accidentally. To fix it, open the Settings app on your Android phone. Scroll down and tap Accessibility and Shortcuts. Inside the menu, look for Accessibility, then tap Color Correction. You'll now see an option called Use Color Correction. Simply turn this option off, and your phone's display should immediately return to full color. If you don't want this problem to happen again, go back and scroll down to Color Correction Shortcut. Turn that option off as well. This prevents the feature from being enabled accidentally using a shortcut. And that's all there is to it. Your Android phone should now be back to normal with all its colors restored. That's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.